Hey girl, it's Sharlrita, and today I'm going to walk you through a soft way that I sell on digital products, like no pressure, no forcing, no chasing people, no quote unquote hustling. I love to sell digital products in a way that feels natural to me and it's so simple, it's peaceful, and I want to show you how I do the same. So I want you to go ahead and grab your notebook, your pen, your favorite drink, and let's get into it. Soft selling means you're not pushing people, you're not chasing customers, you're not convincing anyone, you're not doing things that feel uncomfortable to you. You are not trying to hype yourself every day to go out there, get the sale. It's really calm, it's steady, and it's very simple, or what I call a version of simple. Soft selling means you create a product that helps someone, you talk about it clearly, and you show the real benefits of it. Like, people buy because they understand how it helps them, not because you pressure them to get it. You know what I mean? I personally sell this way because I'm a wife, I'm a mom. I love peace, right? I love making money. Okay. I want to build long-term trust with you, my audience. I don't want to beg people to buy anything. I don't want a business that always feels heavy. So the softer way lets me show up as myself, my giggly self. Like, the soft way lets me talk about what I offer in a simple way that women understand. And it also allows me to run my business without always feeling overwhelmed. Now, the first part of soft selling is having a clear product. Your product must, number one, solve a real problem. Okay. Be simple to explain, be simple for him or her to use, and help him or her get a quick result. Okay. When you are so clear, selling just becomes much more easier. When women understand the product clearly, they make decisions faster. So my digital products do well because the promise is clear, right? Write a book, start a soft like business, create your first digital product, make daily income. Like, people want solutions that they can understand, not talking over their head, with terms and things like that that they don't understand. Like, you're a customer too, so you understand. It's like, talk to me nice. Just tell me what you're selling, all right, and I will decide if that's for me or not. Now, here's how I talk about my digital products in what I call a soft way. I talk about my experience. I tell women what worked for me. I talk about what I've learned. I talk about what I used to struggle with, and how I fixed it. Another way is I show the real benefit. Like, I don't talk in circles. I used to. I don't talk in circles. I say, this is what it helps you do, period. Okay. And the third thing, I give simple next steps. So I tell them, here's how to begin. Women don't need, like, to go into circles. People just need clarity. They just need to know, hey, what's my next step? And I explain who the product is for too. Okay, the right women will know it's for them. The wrong women will actually walk away. And trust me, that's fine. Okay, I repeat my message on a daily or weekly basis as well. Like, repetition, you got to talk about your product a lot. So repetition is what builds understanding. Understanding builds trust. Trust builds sales. Okay. That's soft selling to me. I sell in a soft way because my content to me is soft. Okay. Here's the kind of content I create. Number one, I know you see my short vlogs. I love lifestyle content. Like, I show my day, I show my routines, I show how digital products or digital income fits in my life. Like, this helps women to see what's possible so they can see themselves in me. Also, I also create some educational content as well. So I teach one small idea at a time, clear, simple, and direct. And my favorite is story content. Like I tell real stories about what I've learned, and women can relate to it, which also helps to produce that proof content. So when something is working, I share it. It builds trust. And also quick call to actions, or what we say CTAs. You might have heard me say that. I end it with something like, if you want help, here's where you start. Okay. No pressure, just direction. Here's the exact system that I use. Okay. Step one, tell the truth about your experience. Okay. Share what you've done. Be honest. Share what helped you. Share why the product exists. Okay. Women follow real women. Men follow real men. All right. Step two, teach something simple. Okay. Teach one idea that helps her to understand the topic. Like simple information helps her to feel more confident. All right. Feel more and more confident, not just in you, but even in what you have to offer. And step three, invite her deeper. Okay. You simply say, if you want the full steps, the full system, or more help, here's the next thing I created for you. Now, this is a soft selling way of doing this. It's no, try to pressure anybody to do anything. It's just clarity. And it gives her clarity on her next step. I want to talk about what would make, or what makes my digital product sales daily. Women buy my digital products because they understand what the product does. They feel safe. They see themselves in the message. I am very consistent. I communicate clearly. Like I don't rush them at all. I show real life examples. I stay calm. I don't try to force a sale. When you remove the pressure, people trust you. And when people trust you, they buy from you. I want to give you some steps that you can take right now to help you to start selling right now in a softer way if you have a digital product. Okay. So first of all, you got to have a digital product. So pick one digital product. Okay. Start with something very simple. Okay. Don't make it complicated. I want you to then write a clear sentence about what it does. Just a sentence. Okay. No fancy language. Just say what it helps her to achieve. Okay. Then I want you to create one piece of content that teaches one simple thing. Okay. And don't forget to tell your story. Okay. Share why you made that product. And then I want you to invite her to your offer. Okay. Using clear language. Okay. Remember, the transformation happens after the purchase. Okay. That's just what it is. When she desires the transformation, she really does. She's going to purchase. Okay. And when you do this consistently on a daily basis, like your product will sell. It will sell. Consistency compounds. Compound your consistency, it's going to work out. The soft way works, okay? It works because women don't feel pressure. Like women want understanding. We want clarity, okay? Women want next steps that feel really, really natural, okay? You can sell digital products in a way that feels natural for you in a peaceful way. You can grow your business in a peaceful way. You can attract buyers without chasing anyone. And if you want help with this, your girl got you. I created the soft selling starter kit. So if you want to learn how to sell digital products in a clear and a simple, non-pushy way, and if you want the exact steps that I use in my soft selling system, if you want templates, okay, you want language, examples, and strategy, then I want you to get the soft selling starter kit. Yes, today I put the link in my description. And I want to help you to sell digital products without feeling pushy, It also shows you how to sell with confidence. You need confidence, with clarity, with calm energy. You will not you won't feel lost. I promise you that. And you won't feel overwhelmed either, because you will not even feel like you are bothering people, because selling is serving. Selling is serving. Everything I put together is simple. Everything is step by step. Everything is soft. And again, I put the link in the description. Okay. So I hope that you enjoy this video, girl. All right. And you got some nuggets out of it that's going to help you when it comes to your soft selling. I'm all about teaching what I do, okay? And hopefully as I continue to share my journey and the things that I do, I hope to inspire, okay, inspire you as well to live in your soft girl era when it comes to your business and building a soft life business, okay? I cannot wait to see you in the next video, girl. Until then, go ahead and like, subscribe if you want, and also hit that notification bell so every time I upload a new video, I promise you, you'll be the first to know. And I can't wait to see you in the next video, girl. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.